Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to go through all of my Christmas bins, hoping that I can give you some inspiration, some ideas on what colors to use for this 2021. Take in consideration that none of these items are brand new from this year's, but I'm hoping that you are able to get some inspiration and some ideas as well for your decorations for this year. So if you are ready to get inspired and get a few ideas on a few DIYs that I've been doing for the past years, and let's get started. Now we're gonna go through the bins. I try to organize everything by room. For example, all of this, you see, oh, never mind. These ones, I think they're for the Christmas tree. I know I gotta do a better job on labeling them because this I used last year on the Grinch tree that I did for my youngest one. And then I also did this one as well. And then I used this. Okay, so this is for the Christmas tree. And then every kid for the Grinch tree. Every kid has an ornament. And then I have a Christmas tree, and I think it's a Santa Claus. So they all choose one. These ones are saving me a lot of space instead of using boxes. And plus these peaks don't come on boxes. They're just like that. I bought them at Michael's. So all of this is for my youngest room's Christmas tree. And then this white one, it's for the oldest one because he had a black and white theme. And I'm probably gonna be doing the same theme for them. I'll take everything out right here so you guys can get a better look. And then I have this one's also I used on the Grinch tree. I think that I used the most ornaments and decorations for the Whoville Christmas tree for the Grinch theme. But then on one of my kids, I did an elf one, and I believe I used this ones, which these ones are amazing. I'm hoping that I got them at Walmart. I can go to Walmart and get another set because they are pretty. And I really do want to decorate the big tree or one of the big trees because we have two. So I can do sort of like a elf theme or Grinch theme. I freaking love these colors. Like, I am all up for black and white and pinks and other colors, but I always find myself going back to the traditional colors and like green, red, and sort of like Whoville. And then in here, I have, what is this? See, all of these are for the Grinch tree as well, including elf, because I did use these colors for both of the trees, the Grinch and the elf, because they're similar colors. And so there was no need for me to like separate them too much, even though I had to because of the containers, the bins that I have. Let me see. So these are the ones that I used for one of my oldest one, the black and white, and they are so pretty. The colors, there is half that are matte, and then there's like glittered ones. This ones, I got them at Michael's last year too. This one's as well. And then these ones are for my main tree. We do have one tree that has been with us for almost, oh my God. It's gonna be with us for almost 10 years, I think. Wow. But anyways, I've been decorating it for the past 2 years, I believe, in red and white. And I'm probably gonna do the same this year. These ones are the same. I end up using these ones for my sons. There is 2, even though their Christmas trees are those. And you guys only see 3 boxes because one of the Christmas tree, it's on my kids. One of my oldest one, he keeps his Christmas tree all year round. All year round. Now, on this side, I have all of the dashing through the snow. Look at this. This one, I believe I got this one at Home Goods. Yeah, Home Goods. There's two. And then a lot of like the little tiny decorations like this ones are from this one is from Walmart, but this ones are from the Dollar Tree. So if you are doing like a Grinch elf theme, the Dollar Tree always carries a lot of like bigger ones with traditional, but you can make it more fun and do like a Grinch theme, a Whoville tree, a elf tree. It really doesn't have to go like the traditional way looking, and make it a little bit more fun for the kids, even for grown-ups, because I'm a grown-up and I love all of that. And then I have a lot of elves. I do have some of my pieces for like the little village, and then a lot of tiny Christmas trees that I got at Target. I'll take everything out right now. This bin, I have all of my DIY, the ones that I've done projects for DIYs, and then a lot of little tiny Christmas trees. You see, this one is for that tree that I did over there. All of these DIYs, I did them last year, so I'm gonna link those videos down below. But all of this are, yeah, these ones are for DIYs, which I don't think I'm gonna take nothing out, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna do any DIYs. Don't quote me, because I'm not 100% sure. In my mind, deep down, I do want to make another DIY with some of the clear ornaments, but in real life, I don't think I'm going to have time. So this one, where did I got this one? Let me see. Walmart. But it was in $16.84. Actually, this one's on sale, and I got it only for $8. I think I got it on clearance after Christmas. Yep, on clearance. And then all of these are our personal ornaments. Last year, we started a new tradition where we all go and choose our own ornament, and kind of like it describes us depending on what we did that year. Like this was Martin's, one of my oldest, the middle one. That was my oldest son. This was the little one, because he was so into this type of music. He ended up not doing any like that. Also this, because he loves to be in camera, so he had to get that one. This one's my husband. This one is the one in the middle, Oscar, because he just loves a lot of things around the world, like Chinese and Japanese and Korean and all of that. And of course, this is mine. Gotta be a pink one with the Christmas tree. And then all of their school projects when they were little. So these ones are more personal ones. I try to keep them in a safer area, because I don't want them to get ruined, and for them to continue to be with me, until they get older and older and older. You see, he did this one in 2011. Right now he's 16. This is when he was in kinder. And then I have all of my miniature village, which I don't know where I'm gonna place this one. To be honest, I'm not sure if I'm actually going to do a village this year, but these ones are so fun to recreate your own village. Most of them are from Walmart, from the Dollar Tree, and you can tell. See, these ones are from the Dollar Tree. Some of them are from Michael's. I think this one's from Michael's. And this one too. All these ones are from Michael's. All the trees are from Michael's and Walmart. This is one of my favorite pieces. I placed this one last year on my coffee bar. Again, I'm not sure if I'm gonna do the coffee bar, because I'm trying to go minimal, but when it comes to Christmas, I'm having a really hard time, and I feel that that's one of the reasons why I haven't started decorating, because I don't want to overwhelm myself with a lot of decorations and put them all everywhere and then not enjoying them because it's like too crowded. But I'm so in love with this. We'll see. You guys will see later where I place them. This one's, oh, this is like, yeah, for the coffee bar. I end up using this one as a decorative piece as well. And I got this one's at the Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree carries a lot of good stuff for decorating little things like that, like the coffee bar, or even to place them underneath the tree, the Christmas trees, if you're doing sort of like a Candyland or the Grinch or Elf. I just love color. You can place those boxes. And then this is a DIY that I did last year. I'm so proud of my drawing. Came out really nice, actually. So this is like a calendar, and I have the little ornaments in here where we can place them. What else? Oh, and I have a lot of little houses. Oh, yeah, coffee bar. I placed this one's for the coffee bar as well. But honestly, I feel like I want to place this one on my window, but I'm not sure again. You guys will find out later. Let me put everything on the table so I can give you guys, and that's gonna help me as well, so I'm able to see where I'm actually going to place the items. And here are the main bigger pieces that I love the most, which is the gingerbread card. But this one, it's more of for like toast, because it has like its own spreader. This is so pretty. And then I have all the Christmas trees. All of these are, I only have one Santa Claus, which I'm probably gonna go and find more. I do wanna get more Santa Claus. And maybe nutcrackers. Yeah, that's what I want them. And then I have all of those houses. They're not just for the villages. I end up using some of them for my tables and then for the window. So yeah, here are some of the Christmas items that I have. I didn't purchase anything this year yet because we're still in November. So I'll probably gonna go and find more Santa Claus, nutcrackers, maybe more trees, depending where I'm going to place them all. And then I have and then I have that wreath. I use that one on top of my stove, like on the vent hood. And that is the main Christmas tree. I have the bigger one on the shed. And these are the ornaments that I purchased last year for the main tree. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I am super excited to start decorating now. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to like it. Also share with family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe, become part of this family, and turn your bell notifications so you can be notified with the future videos, because you really don't want to miss on our future decorating videos for this 2021. Take care, and I will see you in a next video. Bye.